Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a high-quality YouTube camera that offers stunning visuals, portability, and pro-level features, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll explore the best cameras for YouTube creators in 2025, helping you pick the right one based on your content style. And if you want to check out any of these cameras, all the product links are in the description below. If you want a versatile camera that excels in both video and photography, the Panasonic Lumix GH7 is the ultimate hybrid YouTube camera. It features a state-of-the-art micro Four Thirds sensor, delivering incredible 4K 120 FPS slow motion, 10-bit internal recording, and phase detection autofocus for razor-sharp focus. With industry-leading stabilization, the GH7 is perfect for handheld shooting, and its unlimited recording time makes it ideal for long-form content. Whether you're vlogging, shooting cinematic footage, or doing high-end productions, this camera delivers professional results without the bulk of a full-frame setup. Want a feature-packed hybrid camera? Check the link in the description. If you're a YouTube vlogger or content creator looking for a lightweight, point-and-shoot camera, the Sony ZV-1 II is the best choice. This compact vlogging powerhouse features Sony's AI-powered real-time tracking autofocus, ensuring your face is always in sharp focus, even in motion. With a 20.1 megapixel 1-inch sensor, the ZV-1 II shoots stunning 4K video with beautiful background blur, while its directional 3-capsule microphone delivers crystal clear audio. The flippable touchscreen, built-in ND filter, and product showcase mode make this the perfect plug-and-play camera for vloggers. Looking for a hassle-free, high-quality vlogging camera? Check the link below. If you're on the move and need buttery, smooth, stabilized video, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is a game changer. This tiny handheld camera features a built-in 3-axis gimbal, capturing butter-smooth 4K 120 frames per second video while keeping footage stable, even in action-packed shots. With a 1-inch sensor, it delivers impressive low-light performance, and its ActiveTrack 6.0 AI tracking keeps you centered in the frame while vlogging or streaming. Perfect for travel vloggers, live streamers, and cinematic content creators, the Pocket 3 packs professional-level stabilization into a device that fits in your pocket. Want a pocket-sized camera with cinematic stabilization? Check the link in the description. The Insta360 X4 is not your typical YouTube camera. It's a creativity powerhouse. With dual 8K 360-degree cameras, it allows you to capture every angle at once, letting you edit and reframe your shots after recording. The AI-powered invisible selfie stick feature makes it look like your footage is shot with a drone, perfect for epic action shots, travel vlogging, and cinematic storytelling. It also supports flow state stabilization, ensuring super smooth footage, even in extreme conditions. If you want to create next-level, immersive YouTube videos, the Insta360 X4 is an incredible tool for standing out. Want to revolutionize your content with 360-degree shots? Check the link below. For adventure vloggers, extreme sports enthusiasts, or travel creators, the GoPro Hero 13 Black is the go-to action camera. With 5.3K video resolution, hypersmooth 6.0 stabilization, and waterproof capabilities up to 33 feet, this camera is built to handle any environment. The front and rear touchscreen displays make it easy to frame shots, while the Auto Boost feature dynamically adjusts stabilization for ultra-smooth footage. If you're creating high-energy, action-packed content, there's no better camera to capture jaw-dropping visuals in any setting. Need a rugged, high-performance action camera? Check the link in the description. Thanks for watching. If you love tech reviews and camera gear recommendations, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more. Check the description for links, and we'll see you in the next video.